Welcome back to this episode where I shall be showing you the second part of our team's project. The first part we talked about two collections, the books as well as the authors. This part now contains the four collections with the full CRUD implementations correctly working. Now, this demonstration I'm going to show you is divided into several parts. The first part is on deployment. The URL you're seeing now shows that this work is not running on the local host, but on the under live page. Now, you could see that I'm logged out. In that case, there are certain things I can't do in this database if I go to the API, the endpoint for the API. So this is the endpoint for getting the API. So, which loads the Swagger UI for us. In this case, there are certain things I can't do. I can't make the right operation such as delete, create, or update. But I could get the authors, the members, as well as the books and then the loans in this database. For instance, this is for the members. So I click on it. You see how they work. So these are all the members in this database, many of them. Now, I could also try to get books because I'll be needing this in the course of the loans. So I execute it. It will be able to get all the books in this database. Alright, in the previous video, we already demonstrated the CRUD implementations of the authors and then the books. For now, I'm going to concentrate on the members and loans. Okay. The endpoint that will give me access to logging in for me to do anything. Okay, let us try doing something now without logging in so that you see that I can't perform the right operations. Now, this is for members. Let's try posting a member. You will see it. I'll be denied because access has not been granted. So click on try it out. So apart from deployment, apart from the auth 2.0 that has been added or implemented in this course, there's also the presence of error handling as well as data validation. Okay, so let me try adding the first name of a particular member, such as John Carrot. Email, let's write John car@gmail.com. Now let's execute this action and see what happens. You could see it access denied, no session provided. I want us to get the URL that gives us access to login. So it is the render live page /login. In this case, what happens? Let's wait for it to give me access. You would see it. Hello, you logged in as Santa G. All right. So let me try executing this action again. I just believe you watched the previous video. That's why you could flow in this. Now you see John Carrot has been created successfully. Is to get this individual by ID. Click on try it out. Paste the ID here. Then execute. The individual data will be gotten. Then we could copy it in order that we would use it to update. So let's see how the updating works. Maybe I made a mistake that I didn't write the email very well. So let me write it johncarrot@gmail.com. Alright, you could see it. The individual data has been updated successfully. Let's copy this ID so that we could use it to delete it. Let's click on try it out. Paste the ID and then execute. In this case, you would see member soft deleted successfully. Now we've gotten the loans. Okay, maybe we've not gotten it before. So try it out, execute. So we'll see all the loans all the books that have been borrowed. That's what the loan is for. Post a new loan. In that case, we'll click on try it out. Okay, let's leave. Okay, the person returns it on 15th. Execute. This returned a response of 201, show that it has been created successfully. To get the loan by ID, try it out, paste the ID. So pasted it, then go on and execute it. Alright, it still returns a good response. These details have been gotten. As usual, if you copy them for editing or updating, that will be necessary. Alright, click on try it out. In this case, I want to leave the return date as null. So I want to remove everything here and then submit empty return date. So let's go on to execute it and see what happens. Alright, the return date is now null. We could delete this detail by clicking the ID and then doing what we've been doing in other ones. So you copy the ID, then click on try it out. Add the ID here, then execute. You would notice it will be deleted successfully. That's the response. So loan deleted successfully. Let us switch to the VS Code so we will see a few things. So we're able to implement the error handling with this try catch block you're seeing here. Now, and apart from that, I would also want you to see from the terminal of the VS Code, and we divided this among ourselves. As for my own contribution to this project, I was the one who created the controllers files, that is the loan as well as the members controllers. My colleague set up the route and then we're able to come up with this. So with this, it comes to the end of the second part of our team's activity on this library manager API. So you could see that all of them passed the test. So once more, thank you for reviewing this submission. Thank you for watching to the end. Endeavor to like, share, hit the notification bell and comment. Thank you.